Hi, so now we arrived to user management section. Let's start with users page. Here you can see all the users you have invited to this application and they have access into it. To add a new user, you go to add new and then put the email of the user you want to invite. The invited user will get an email to confirm. After they confirm, he will appear in the user page. But if the email domain was matching the same email domain for the app owner, and the email domain was a business domain, which is mean he was not at Gmail or at email or all the known domains. That's mean the invited user will be approved immediately and he will show up in the user's page and he will receive an email with temporary password so he can access the dashboard. For example, I have the test@test.com user to test on it. For the action, you can edit the first name and the last name of the user. But this feature can be disabled by the user itself by going to the settings, user settings, allow application owner from updating profile. And you can view the permission and the model permission. We're gonna talk about this later. Disable data access by default, because by default all the users in your application have access to all your model and data. Deactivate user if you don't want the user anymore in your application. And last, set as admin, which is mean he will have all the permissions you have as an app owner almost. And these permissions are connected to the structure, not for the data. And what's that mean? All the model permissions will be ignored. But all the item group will be applied. We will be talking about these two later. Next is the guest page. So for example, let's say this application is an e-commerce application and you have a website for the end user. All user will sign up to the website will appear in this page. Next is user groups. Let's add a new group. Group 1, submit. You can delete the group or you can edit it. You can update the name or it's active or not. Here you have a list of your application users. You can transfer which one you want to the group.